Digital Prophet Presence, the last era of Wild Earth. This is the last era of Wild Earth, a moment in history when the planet still remembers what it feels like to breathe. But everything you see, the forests, the snow, the oceans, the animals, is standing on the edge of its final chapter. Not because the Earth is dying, but because it is changing faster than we ever imagined. Every day, somewhere on the planet, a forest falls. Somewhere, a river dries. Somewhere, a species is erased before we even learn its name. We don't notice it because the world disappears quietly. Trees do not scream. Oceans do not complain. Animals do not file reports. Millions of years ago, the Earth was covered with forests so vast they could create their own weather. Today, only fragments remain. A forest is not trees. It is a mind, a memory, a network that communicates, heals, warns, adapts. Science now knows that trees send signals through the soil like a living internet beneath our feet. If forests are the lungs, oceans are the heartbeat. But the heartbeat is slowing. Coral reefs, the cities of the ocean, are bleaching at a rate unseen in human history. A world without coral reefs is a world without a food chain. The ocean is not dying. It is transforming into something unfamiliar, something we may not survive. Even the sky is changing. The air we breathe today contains particles that never existed before humans. Storms are becoming larger. Winds are becoming wilder. The sky is rewriting its rules. For the first time, scientists warn that the jet stream, the river of wind that controls our weather, is beginning to wobble. There are creatures alive right now that you will never see in your lifetime. Some are shrinking. Some are moving to colder places. Some are disappearing without fossils, without footprints, without goodbye. The Earth is not empty. It is simply becoming invisible. We built cities higher than trees. We lit the nights brighter than the stars. We invented machines faster than animals. But in this race to dominate the planet, we forgot we were only borrowing it. Every civilization in history collapsed for one reason. They believed the Earth would last forever. Ours is the first civilization that knows the truth and still continues. But this era, right now, is the turning point. We still have Wild Earth, but for how long? In the next 100 years, the continents will shift in climate, the oceans will redraw their maps, and new species will rise while old ones fall. Humans will survive, but the Earth we survive on will not be the Earth we remember. If this is the last era of Wild Earth, then it is also the first era of awakening. The question is not, will the Earth survive? It always does. The question is, will we? This is Digital Prophet. The future begins now.